Hello guys, it's me again, Chris, and welcome to my vlog. So, ngayong video guys, maglalaro tayo ng Adopt Me. So, una natin gagawin, kumuha muna tayo ng bata. Siyempre, maghahanap tayo ng bata. Ang gaganda naman ng bahay nila, like, matahe. Like, oh my gosh. Meron akong, dito. Oh, may libre akong egg. Pangalanan natin siya. Wait. What? Hindi ko kailangan ng egg. Kailangan ko ng baby. Like, oh my gosh. So yun na nga. Nandito na tayo sa city. Pupunta tayo sa daycare ba yun? Adopt Me. Like, 150 pala yung pera. How many flight paths for this? Where do I get a baby? Here. So, kuha muna tayo ng baby guys. Hi, Ana. Ana. So, yun na, naubusan naman tayo ng baby. Bro, like, what the heck? Ako na lang matutulog. Stop that. Whoa. Shivers. What's that? Let's just get up at. $750. Pour muna tayo guys. Wala tayong pera. Like, oh my gosh. What's this? Achieve a 3-day login strike. Okay. Kailan natin maghanap ng babies na alagaan. Like, oh my god. There's a lot of baby here. Kaya na, bigyan mo ng baby, hoy. Ang dami mo naman baby. Kuha muna tayo ng gift. What's gift? Yun na lang. Where we get? Ano kayo makuha natin? Oh, it's a common. Crafty parties. Wait. Oh, there's a free food. What the heck? Robot. Hi. What's this? So, ngayon guys, wala akong mahanap na baby na alagaan. Wow. Ganda naman. Sana all. So this, bago dito meron. This is cool. Hi. Sampai Sauche. Is that me? What the heck? Oh. So mag-work muna tayo. And $15 per minute. Now hiring. Okay. We need to work to get rich. Gagawin ko. Oh, here. Pet trainer, so I'd rather have a pet. Become a teacher. Okay, I'm become a teacher right now. So hi, hello guys. Teachers Apple. So magtuturo tayo ng math. Ito lang akong mga students. Nasaan kayo? Tuturuan ko kayo ng 2 plus 2 equals 4. Change. You must teach. Kailangan nyo maturuan kasi mga paniwara ang mga kabataan ngayon. Kailangan nyo mag-aral. Okay, naka-earn tayo ng 20 bucks from a job. Okay na rin. Kain muna tayong sandwich. Oh. Oh, there's me. Become a principal. I would like to become a principal. I am a principal in this school, so ang ibabatas ko dito ay bawal ang maganda. Like, oh my god, girl. Let's start on. Okay, patas ng patas yung sahod ko dito, guys. $40. Buti may work tayo dito. Yes. Kausapin niya namin ito. Hi, welcome to the coolest school on Adoption Island. I'm the coolest teacher. My hobbies are dank memes and emoji. Some people call me too old or cringy, but I think they're just old, silly kids. Make sure to say good day to Shane. He train your pets. Remember, hang on in there like the cat on the poster now. Whatever you see around. Like, bro, are you a teacher for real? Hi, Emma. Kausapin niyo naman ako. Puro na lang work dyan. Hello, Shing Shu. Na. Skill issue. Oh, okay. I'm sorry that. So, mag-work tayo, guys. For principal. Dapat hindi nandito yung principal sa pagkalagala. So, we're off on duty right now. Hanap tayo ng ibang gagawin dito sa Adapt Me.
A few moments later.
So what we gonna do here? Oh, there's a baby. Kailangan natin sana. Hi. Hello, bata. Unicorn. Gusto mo ba ako maging papa? Yes natin. Can I be your family? Diretsahin na natin. Oh. Tinanggihan tayo. Ayoko rin sa'yo, makulit ka eh. So, yun na nga guys. And dito na po natatapos yung video natin. And please like and share and subscribe and click the button. And comment down below na lang guys kung ano pang larong gusto nyong gawin ko. Thank you for watching guys. Bye!